Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now as helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Thursday, September 16th, 1:17 p.m. New York time. We're looking here on the desktop trading platform from Thinkorswim, and we have 6 grids. Each grid has a different symbol, and we're currently looking at the equity indexes in the cash market. Equity indexes comprise of 2 or more stocks, as well the equity indexes in the cash market trade from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. New York time. So that's what I'm referring to as the cash market, because that's what the institution refers to, the exchange. Got it? We'll first look at the S&P 500 in the cash market. That symbol is SPX. S&P 500 trades on different exchanges under different symbols. So if you want to trade it in the futures market, you can do that too. Those are different hours than the cash market. And those hours or days are from Sunday all the way through Friday, 24 hours. So that symbol is ES, but we're looking here at the cash index, SPX. And then there's a stock ETF for the S&P 500, SPY. Looking here for the year, the trend has been up. For the week, it's a red candle, lower low, lower high. NASDAQ 100, the trend has been up for the year. Red for the week, lower low, lower high. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average, trend has been up. Currently green for the week, but lower low, lower high. So the 3 top indexes are trending down from their current highs. Let's go to the Russell 2000, symbol RUT. Yeah, had a little trend. Since then, it's been a tight consolidation for most of the year. It's green for the week, lower low, lower high. Then we have the Dow Transports, green for the week, lower low, lower high, way off the highs for the year. Dow Jones Utilities, wow, red for the week, lower low, lower high, broke below this consolidation. Yeah, it's been all over the place, but it's definitely higher for the year than from the bottom. Take note of this. The S&P 500 cash index is comprised of several indexes. The NASDAQ 100, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the Dow Transports, and the Dow Utility. These 4 indexes are inside the S&P 500 index, as well as another index I don't have here, which is the S&P 100. Got it? The Russell 2000 down here on the left is its own index. It's not part of the S&P 500. So when you hear someone say the S&P 500, remember there's several indexes that are inside of it, and those are very diversified. NASDAQ 100 is mostly growth companies, technology companies. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is very broad, many different sectors, industries. The Dow Transports is just that, the transports. And then you have the Dow Utilities, just that, utility companies. So they're very different in the companies that are listed in there with the kind of business and services they offer. Where the S&P 500, since it comprises of all of them, is very diversified. Let's go on to some other stocks, such as the 11 stock sectors inside the S&P 500. First being XLK. For the year, it's been trending up. For the week, it's red, lower low, lower high. XLV. For the year, it's been trending up. And for the week, it's red, lower low, lower high. XLF. Yeah, for the year, it's been trending up. For the week, it's red, lower low, lower high. It's also in a tight consolidation here. And then you have XLV, green for the week, but it did make lower low, lower high than the prior week. XLC, red for the week, lower low, lower high. But for the year, it's been trending up. XLI, for the year, it's been pretty much trending up to here. Then became a consolidation. It's like that Russell 2000. And for the week, it's red, lower low, lower high. XLP did sell off beginning of the year, did a reverse, been trending up a good amount of time, and now it's in a consolidation. Red for the week, lower low, lower high. XLE, green for the week, higher high, higher low. Wow, that's better than the other ones we've seen, but way off the highs. XLU, yeah, a lot of chop. So for the week, it's red, lower low, lower high, breaking below this consolidation. XLRE, red for the week, lower low, lower high, small trading range. Just shy of the all-time high for the year, where most of the year has been trending. XLB, red for the week, lower low, lower high, off the highs. So there you have most of the sectors I showed you are red for the week. Most of them are trading lower low, lower high than the prior week. Quite a few of them have not even been trending so well for the year. So overall, most of them are not good leadership. Let's go look at some Fang stocks, Fang Plus stocks. Fang Plus stocks are the most widely traded stocks. These are single stocks now. They're not indexes. They're not ETFs. First, look at Apple. Red for the week, lower low, lower high. A lot of chop for this year. Microsoft, green for the week, higher high, higher low, outstanding. And Amazon, red for the week, lower low, lower high. Look at that, also a lot of chop for the year. Facebook, red for the week, lower low, lower high. From this consolidation, breakout, I went trending to the upside. Google, yeah, it's been trending very well for the year. Currently, yellow candle, which is also I refer to as inside bars, means the high and low to not go above or below the prior candle. Indecision, that's what it is. Tesla, yep, here's the high for the year, so it's been trending down, consolidation and reverse. Green for the week, or made a lower low, but a high has not taken out that high, so you can still say it made a lower high, lower low. November, Victor, Delta, Alpha, consolidation, then went trending up for the year. And red for the week, lower low, lower high. Netflix, red for the week, lower low, lower high. After the all-time high for the year. You have a lot of consolidation here between that range, 600 and 500. And Alibaba, here's the high for the year. Here's the high for last year. It's been trending down, and we're almost at record lows again. Not good. So we had some, and most of them are not looking so good. Most of them are not even green for the week. A lot of them are showing lower lows, lower highs. The trending ones that are looking outstanding, the ones that are trending up. Remember, all these are part of the NASDAQ 100. Several of them are also in the Dow Jones. So now let's go to the futures. Which the futures market, the symbols always start with a forward slash. As well, the futures market trade nearly 24 hours a day. They open Sunday night and trade all the way through Friday. They also have options on them. So first we look at the dollar index currency. Yeah, this is not in the futures market. It's the cash index exchange. But again, I want to show you here. because it trades similar hours as the futures. So for the year, here's the year right here where we started. Yep, a lot of trending, a lot of trending. And for the week, it's green, higher high, higher low. That's good. Yep. So it's trading above this minor consolidation. This yellow horizontal line has been acting as a supply area where sellers have stepped in because it went up there, had a trend down, did a retracement, and filled to close above. Yep. So dollar is another huge consolidation. 30-year bonds, high for the year. That's low for the year. And it's green for the week, higher high, higher low. Again, this tight consolidation here, as well as a bigger consolidation here. And we had selling off already, have that big tail on the top. So this up move that traded above that high is not even holding. That's leaning bearish bias. If the bonds go lower, we won't expect the yields to go higher, putting pressure on interest rates to go higher. And we already did the S&P 500. Now we're looking at crude oil, also in the futures market. Green for the week, higher high, higher low. Trend has been up from here. Strong like bull. Above that $70. Gold, $/GC. Yep, red for the week, lower low, lower high. Like buyers stepping in here around the 1750 range price level. So we had this supply zone here, red area, supply zone where sellers were. We had that nice run up from all the way back when I mentioned and shared that trade ideas from that week there. We had a run up. Now the gold mining stocks are not all acting the same as the underlying gold futures. And the Japanese yen, green for the week, higher high, higher low, broke out of this wedge. See these lines? That's a wedge. And was getting a tighter, smaller trading range, building a call tighter, broke up to the upside. Interesting. It rejected these higher prices and sold off back inside here. So that's leaning bearish bias also. And Japanese yen is the second biggest currency in the US dollar. So if this rolls over and goes lower, that could actually benefit the US dollar. Because it's one of several currencies in the US dollar. So there we have the futures. But let's look at some Forex products. Forex products is just the currency market. So for this example, I'm going to show you the currency market, but actually I'm going to show you in the futures because currencies also trade in the futures market. But you could also trade them certainly in the Forex market, but just for the sample. So we have 6 grids showing 6 currencies that are part of the US dollar. Excuse me. First, look at the euro. The euro is the #1 currency in the US dollar index. Here's the high for the year. Excuse me. And for the week, lower low, lower high, breaking below this inside candle and breaking below that consolidation. So another reason we see the dollar currently up because we have the yen and the euro down, which are the 2 biggest currencies in the US dollar. Not surprised. Some of the reasons the dollar is higher is some current economic news that benefits or strengthens the US dollar. But that was past data. Going forward, things can certainly change. Japanese yen, already spoke about that. And the British pound, the 3rd largest currency in the US dollar. Look at this, it's in a wedge. Finally broke above that wedge and rejected it, and closing back inside of it. Yeah, so this is a tight consolidation. So the 3 largest currencies selling off, benefiting the US dollar. Interesting. And the Canadian dollar, inside candle for the week. Wow, small trading range. And the Swiss franc, red for the week, lower low, lower high, selling off. May break this yellow horizontal line and swing low, may break below that. That's a safe haven currency. So less people are attracted to that right now. Same with the yen, both showing bearish bias. And the Australian dollar, red for the week, lower low, lower high, selling off. So if you like what I just shared, please click the like, And if you want to get notification when the next videos are, subscribe. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.